Hi, I'm Greg Lawson. I'm a Texas realtor. I provide what I like to call premium services. When I say premium services, doesn't mean it's going to cost you extra. It just means that I provide services that every realtor can't provide, okay? Not every realtor has a professional drone. Not every realtor is a experienced drone pilot. Not every realtor is a trained photographer, okay? These are things that I feel set me apart in the real estate industry. And the results are that I can get your home sold faster and for more money, okay? So, what I'm going to show you in this video are just some examples of my work. Everything that you're going to see in this video was shot by me. So just check it out and see what you think. As always, my contact information will be in the comment section below the video. Call me with any questions or if I can help you in any way. Enjoy the video. don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I post another video so you won't miss out. All right, take care.